question. Question about modesty. If the sleeves of a dress are wide enough, but the material is semi see-through, is one allowed to wear shell inside to kosher the dress, and the shell will be seen from the outside around our region?
That's a very good question. So, and that's and unfortunately that's and very unfortunate, like this modern Orthodox, that's what they use, and they think that it's kosher. They use the shell, and it's like so tight. So you have to use your imagination, and then so they with that shell they kosher everything. So they buy like a short sleeve. This, I mean, that's on one hand it's solution, but this see-through it's not. I mean, not see-through, but even like some materials, they like the lighter ones. So if it goes like directly against the sun, so many times, and unfortunately you can see through. So it's better always to get like a darker shades, right? So you would not see through, like even when you go like against the sun, and not to use shells, because shells, like when people see through the sun, like they do not understand is it the skin or it's the shell. I mean, they do not know. And where I live, it's very interesting. You have these modern people, and then Hasidic people. So and you see how this dress, and it's like, I don't know, maybe 5 blocks away. Like 5 blocks, it's a mixture of mixed neighborhood, right? And then you have like Hasidic people. So they dress differently. They don't use shells. Or if they use shells, it's like a sweater, like for sure, like there's something with a long sleeve on top of it, or like for sure, like completely kosher, like clothes with buttons or with zip, so nothing like showing.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.